Hey, we're here at the Who's Who Showcase in Baltimore, Maryland at the M&T Bank Stadium, and I'm here with Maria. Maria, can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Yes, we are a construction cleaning service. We are kind of like a from the start, beginning, and the end type of company. We are doing interior demolition, progress cleaning, final cleaning, trailer office cleaning as well. So kind of like we're there with the entire project.
How long have you guys been in business?
It's been a year, so it is a pretty new company, but thankfully we have really good feedback and success with the current clients we have right now. So we're just hoping that next year we're just going to grow a little bit more.
What's something that makes your company unique and kind of stand out from the competition?
I think it's because the employees I hire, I feel like everybody is very good, and then every project we have, everybody's really give me great feedback for the people that we have. I feel like my employees are like representing me in some sort, so when I hire, I really watch out to that person that maybe not have all the experience in the world, but is one of the person that wants to grow within the company.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your story with us, and thank you for joining us at the Who's Who Showcase today.
Great, thank you so much. Nice
Thank you.
meeting you.
It's very nice meeting you.